One of the top cryptocurrency pre-sales on the market right now, Pepe Unchained. Guys, this is an extremely bullish pre-sale because despite everything going on, despite the fact that retail investors are nowhere to be found, you're here, but nobody else is. Guys, this reminds me so much of the bear market that took place after the 2017 bull market rally. Everybody was excited in 2017. And then kind of 2018, people are like, maybe we should buy some crypto. And then by mid-2018, people weren't even buying Ethereum at $80 a coin. Think about that. They thought crypto was a fad. They thought it was over. They didn't like it. And that is exactly what we're seeing right now. But you know what happened afterwards? Things soared higher, they returned as prices were up, and those that accumulated during the downtrend and during the stagnation are the ones that made a lot of money. We're going to be talking about Pepe Unchained in this video because I also believe people that are accumulating this one are going to make a lot of money during the upcoming bull market. We're going to talk about why, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below or the pinned comment. You're going to be pulling up this website right here, and it is very easy to click on Connect Wallet. I use Wallet Connect, scan the QR code. You guys can connect however you want. But from there, you're simply going to determine how much you want to buy. Let's say you want to grab one Ethereum worth. You're walking away with 285,000 PEPU tokens or Pepe Unchained. Now the price right now is 0.9163 cents, and this price is going to increase again in 1 day in 21 hours. A lot of people are unfamiliar with what this timer means. This is not the timer until the launch. This is the timer until the next price increase. It says right here, the price is going to increase either when $9.6 million is raised or when 1 day in 21 hours is reached. Now, this token's been doing between $100,000 to $200,000 a day in pre-sale, which is one of the top performing pre-sales on the market right now. So I don't think it's going to reach this threshold before the timer ticks down, but it is a possibility if, of course, meme coins begin to kick back up and soar higher very quickly and retail begins to return. But knowing that it's at 0.91 cents right now, 009, let's talk about some price predictions because it is extremely bullish out there. So it says, today we share our Pepe Unchained price predictions for 2024 and beyond. Freshly out on the pre-sale, the original Pepe token savior raised over $880,000, and so it shows no signs of stopping. And you better believe that it has not stopped. These analysts were right on that. Let's see if they're going to be right about their price predictions as well, because it is over 10x increased its amount of sales since this level. It says, unlike Pepe, which relied solely on community sentiment, PEPU combines meme allure with real-world utility, offering high staking rewards, fast transactions, and low gas fees, because it is a brand new layer 2 blockchain. This is its own blockchain, guys. It's not just some meme coin. This is a layer 2 blockchain here. So going on, it says that we predict, let's start here. Right here. It says, we predict PEPU will reach 55 cents by the end of 2024, generating over 5,600% gains for early adopters. Holders might be in favor of even higher returns, assuming Pepe Unchained maintains momentum and delivers on its promises. Now look, a 56x increase in the first couple of months, because remember, we're almost at the end of 2024 already. I don't know if it's going to see that in 2024. I truly, and this is just my opinion, I believe the bull market happens at some point in 2025. And I'm just basing that off of a few things. Number one, the 4-year bull to bear market cycle and the peaks between each bull market has occurred on 4 years. 2013, 2017, 2021, and that would take it to 2025. So I am putting my bull market peak at 2025 there, and therefore these level of gains I would imagine happen in 2025 as opposed to 2024. Some other things that are taking place. Retail investors do not feel rich right now. Retail investors feel broke. They feel poor. And I don't mean that in the sense that retail investors are broke or poor. They feel that way. Inflation is extremely high. We are paying higher prices for groceries, rent, gas, everything that we consume on a daily basis is more expensive than it was just a couple of years ago. And people feel that, right? Your dollar isn't worth as much. The next thing, we could have a very nice catalyst coming up towards the end of the year in terms of the presidential election. I don't know which way that's going to swing, but clearly one way is going to be much better for cryptocurrency than the other. That should be inspiring to cryptocurrency investors because, of course, we get somebody talking about innovation and making the United States the cryptocurrency hub of the world. Finally, inflation and the interest rates. Inflation is kind of under control at the moment, but interest rates are still high. Once interest rates begin to lower and people can borrow money again and it feels cheaper, all of a sudden they're going to feel richer. And when that takes place, the sentiment for retail investors is going to change, and therefore they could flow in and buy all of these investments and flow back into the riskier assets like cryptocurrency. Now, this PEPU price prediction says that a successful pre-sale coupled with strong meme appeal and real utility could help PEPU reach a 55-cent level, representing a 5,644% gain for early investors. End of 2025, 97 cents. Guys, right here, 10,000% increase. That's a 100x increase from its listing price. Building an entire ecosystem suggests long-term potential, but much will depend on macroeconomic conditions. We expect Pepe to cost between 30 and 70 cents in 20. So they actually expect it to come back down a little bit in 2030, and that is reasonable. Right? Once you see 100x gains in anything, it becomes very well saturated. And then only those who truly believe in the project will be around. And of course, it could come back down in value by then. So, of course, according to these price predictions by this analyst here, you would want to sell in 2025. And I actually agree, because honestly, I don't know what the price is going to be in 2030. Nobody knows what cryptocurrency prices or anything is going to be doing in 2030. But if you go that 4-year bull market to bear market cycle, selling at the peak of the bull market and just buying back in when things get blasted during the following bear market would lead to life-changing gains and life-changing wealth. Guys, Pepe Unchained is offering 212% staking rewards. Check this out. If you stake your Pepe Unchained on an annual basis, you're earning 212%. Now, the reward rate is dynamic, which means that if more people decide to stake their Pepe Unchained, the lower your rewards are going to be. Of course, if people unstake, your rewards are going to be moving up. Now, if you go through the About section, here's why I'm so excited about Pepe Unchained. It is a meme coin focused on meme coins. It's not trying to be something that it's not. It says it's the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. That's where retail investors are going to return to. When they come back to the market, and trust me when I tell you, they're not here. You can see it in Google's analytics. This is the bull market peak in 2017, bull market peak in 2021. Bull market peak could happen in 2025. Retail surges. You sell your cryptocurrency. You make massive profits, and you simply jump back in during the lull of a bear market. I want to know what you guys think about Pepe Unchained down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.